have tried to bring a positive change. The program will be dedicated to ladies, OSF members, ladies from TSF. कोई ताली वाली नहीं बजा रहा है, मुझसे लोग बोर हो गए हैं असल में. इनके लिए कह रहा हूँ मैं, ladies from OSF, ladies from TSF, TCF, and obviously, last but not the least, is Dr. Maheen. Dr. Maheen, आज मैंने नाम सही लिया, मैं डर रहा था honestly, क्योंकि मैंने पहली दफा जब आपसे बात की तो I was not correct in your taking your name. Now I'm correct. मैं ये भी कहना चाह रहा था, आप सही जगह आई हैं या कहीं और जाना था आपको? इधर ही आना था. चलिए ठीक है. मैं I'll hand over to Dr. Anjum first. Please, Dr. Anjum, say Dr. Faiq Bilal. Faiq Bilal, please say a few words to kickstart the program, and after that, Dr. Anjum will come, and after that, Dr. Anjum will take care of that.
The Citizen Foundation for your participation here and introducing about your programs as well. So thank you for coming here, and we feel always pleasure working with the others if we can do something and the seniors can do something. And I would just like to mention that we were not able to organize the last week Tuesday get together, though we are organizing mostly regularly. The reason for it was that all these halls in the Milton and other places were occupied, and in the summer they had the summer camp, and due to that one, these halls are not available, and even the small one are sometimes not available. Anyhow, we'll be meeting weekly. I won't take much of my time, and would like Dr. Anjum to kindly come and say a few words. Thank you.
Shahnaz Hashim, I'm so grateful you are here for this introduction of TCF, and we were looking forward for your introduction here, but we were looking for the spare time to get you as a guest here. And I think your introduction, Maheen, and TCF introduction will be enough for the seniors today, and we will follow you guys. And inshallah, all the speakers from the TCF here, they will introduce themselves, and Shahnaz Hashim, you will say something about the TCF as well. And you are respectable here, you are our guest today, and we will entertain you with a good tea and snacks.
अब मैं आपको नजर नहीं आऊंगा.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our organization. Today we have the pleasure of hosting representatives from the Citizen Foundation who will share an overview of their impactful work in Canada. The Citizen Foundation is a CRA registered charity incorporated with the objective of funding educational opportunities for underprivileged children. It aims towards building a network of supporters and volunteers all over Canada. I'd like to introduce our esteemed presenter, Ms. Anika Khan, who has dedicated herself to TCF's mission and has worked tirelessly to drive its initiative forward. Ms. Anika Khan, we're looking forward to your insightful presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Ms. Anika Khan.
Assalamu alaikum, good morning. Thank you for having us. My name is Selin Jasani. I'm the Chief Executive Officer at TCF Canada, and I am joined today by Anika Khan, who is our Chief Operating Officer for TCF Canada, as well as Kashifa, raise your hand, who is our Chapter Support Coordinator, and Anika. Asifa, thank you. Asifa, who is our office manager. So the four of us are really grateful to have an opportunity to be here with you today. We'd like to take some time and tell you a little bit about what TCF Canada is, who we are, what we do, what motivates us every day to wake up and come to work, and hopefully if we have time after, we'd love to meet with you and answer any questions that you might have. Does that sound good? Should we get started?
Yes.
Okay. So this is a little bit of information about how big the problem is in Pakistan. There are 26 million children who do not have access to education. And so if you think about how big of a problem is 26 million children, Anika taught me this interesting fact. That's the size of the population of Australia. Can you imagine everyone in Australia if they didn't have access to education? That's how big of a problem it is in Pakistan today. So when this problem was observed 30 years ago, 5 gentlemen, professionals in Pakistan, came together and said, we need to do something about it. We need to make a change. This is a very old picture, but this is them 30 years ago when they came together to first say, we want to make something happen. Today, 30 years later, TCF has opened 2,000 schools, or is supporting 2,000 schools. We've had over 300,000 students enrolled, 63,000 graduates, and we'll share more with you about why that's such an important statistic, because these are not just people who graduated, these are successful students who have gone on to incredible careers. My favorite thing about all of this, and this organization is well versed in this, every administrative staff, the principals, the faculty, are all female. That's over 14,000 females that we are employing, and over 200,000 adult literacy learners. We have schools operating across the country. We're not looking at just one area. We go and we explore and we determine where is their need, and we work with the communities to understand what the gaps are. What kind of education programs do they need? Does it work better if it's just in the morning or just in the afternoon? We work with the communities so that whatever school we build, whatever support mechanisms we introduce, they integrate well into the lives of those communities. We have many purpose-built schools. There's a few pictures I'd like to share here with you because it's all based on the environment. Wherever the school is built, we design the school to fit in with the environment that is necessary. We are very proud of a 50-50 gender ratio of students. 50% female, 50% male. We have been recognized as the second largest employer of women in the private sector in Pakistan, something we're very proud of. And as I mentioned before, we do have all female teachers and school administration staff. Before I go to that video, I just want to say, since we can't actually be in a school today, we're very fortunate that some of our team members in Pakistan have gone and filmed some schools so that you have an opportunity to see how the children engage within our schools. So this first video is what I'd like to share with you. Is the volume okay? Yes. Okay, great.
अभी गिरानी शब में कमी नहीं आई, निजाते दीदाओ दिल की घड़ी नहीं आई। चले चलो कि वो मंजिल अभी नहीं आई। तुम्हारे नाम हो गए, मेरा नाम क्या है? आमना। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम आमना शेख है और आज मुझे एक ऐसी जगह आने का मौका मिला जो खुद में एक मुकम्मल जहां है, द TCF कावस्टी कैंपस। और कब से है ये बिल्डिंग?
ये हमारी बिल्डिंग 1999 से।
1999 से। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये कैंपस लियारी के इलाके में वाक़ है। इस कैंपस में 1700 से ज़ायद बच्चे तालीम हासिल करते हैं। आज हम दरख्त बने। यहाँ के दिलकश बच्चों के साथ मयारी वक्त गुजरा। अच्छा, कोई नेक आवाज आई, बूम बूम बूम। साथ में हमने TCF की अपनी ही पब्लिश की हुई एक दिलचस्प कहानी पढ़ी। प्राइमरी से सेकेंडरी सेक्शन तक के बच्चे आगे बढ़ के मिले।
मिस सरा, ये हमारी अलमनाई है, TCF की स्टूडेंट है इसी स्कूल की।
अरे वाह, खुद एतमादी, तजस्सुस और जज्बे से भरे हुए।
और मैं बनना चाहती हूँ न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट डॉक्टर।
न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट, कोई पायलट, कोई डॉक्टर, कोई कैंसर का इलाज ढूंढना चाहे। कोई आर्टिस्ट, कोई टीचर तो कोई सुरीले गुन गुनगुनाए। हर बच्चा मुझे TCF स्कूल की दीवारों पर लिखे बुनियादी अक़दार का पुरकशिश अक्स दिखाई दिए।
जितनी बड़ी शेप बनानी थी उतने स्टेप्स।
बहुत अब मैं बनाती हूँ। और मेरे अंदर मेरी अपनी उम्मीद की किरण यकायक उजागर हो गई।
हमारी अपनी डिजाइन की हुई बुक्स है और साथ ही टीचर के लिए टीचर गाइड भी मौजूद है।
मेरे लिए इस सिलसिले को इतने करीब से देखना एक एजाज है और आपका इस निज़ाम को चलाने का जरिया बनना एक अहम अतायत और फजीलत है। मेरी दुआ है कि TCF का ये निज़ाम आप सबकी, हम सबकी इन कोशिशों से हमेशा कायम रहे।
So I mentioned before that we're very proud of what our graduates go on to become. 57% of our female graduates, 57% of all of our tertiary degree holders who go on after graduating from TCF are female. I think this is really important because when you think about these communities and what it took to actually build the trust within the communities to have their children be sent to school, it's a big, big step for them to now go on and continue on with tertiary degrees. You see that there's a wide variety of fields of studies that they participate in. These are very, very impactful students. And actually, we just have a new student who has graduated TCF as of last year. She's going on to Harvard in September. I'm sure she's probably traveling to the States right now to start her career. We've got students who graduated on university professors. Really, really impressive stories of what these students have accomplished. And Anika will share more with you about another really impressive family. One more video I'd like to share.
दश्ते वीरा में ये फूल खिलाते जाएं, इल्म का शौक हर दिल में जगाते जाएं, कदम बढ़ाएं, ये अज़्म रुकने न पाए, इन बच्चों को शबो रोज पढ़ाते जाएं, राहों को मंजिल मिली, ख्वाब को ताबिंदगी, तालीम से बदले जिंदगी।
छुपी छुपी सी आस को फिर जिंदा कर दिया, बुझे बुझे ऐसे ख्वाबों को ताबिंदा कर दिया, छुपी छुपी सी आस को फिर जिंदा कर दिया, बुझे बुझे ऐसे ख्वाबों को ताबिंदा कर दिया।
The Citizens Foundation is transforming the lives of underprivileged children through quality education. Support TCF with your donations and help change lives.
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much OSF for having us here. So, as Celine mentioned, a lot of us work for TCF, volunteer for TCF. Shanaz is one of our key volunteers. So we ask ourselves, why do we work for TCF? Why TCF? And for me, the answer is change. I truly believe change begins with education. And आज मैं आप सबको एक ऐसी कहानी बताने जा रही हूँ, which proves that really education is the key driver of success and change in people's lives. This is Salim Sahab. He was a wire factory worker in Ibrahim Gode. सलीम साहब का एक ख्वाब था, एंड ख्वाब कुछ बहुत बड़ा नहीं था, उनको अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाना था. But it just, in a country like Pakistan, when you live in Ibrahim Gode, sometimes it's something that you dream of because you don't have the right school in the vicinity. And then one day, 20 years back, one day a TCF school opened up in their community. जब TCF स्कूल खुला तो सलीम साहब जब हमें स्टोरी बता रहे थे तो उन्होंने बोला जब ये स्कूल बन रहा था, I laughed to myself that we can't even afford to go to these small schools. हम इतने बड़े स्कूल में कैसे अपने बच्चों को भेजेंगे, ये लोग कहाँ स्कूल बना रहे हैं. Then he spoke to one of our principals and found out that he can actually send his children to the school. He had 5 children. He took the brave decision and sent all of his 5 children to school 20 years back. And I want to show you today what has happened in those 20 years. This is Salim Saab's oldest daughter, Uzma. Uzma graduated from Zabist. She now works for a government office in Pakistan. This is their daughter, Sidra. Sidra graduated as a doctor. We've got many doctors here today. Sidra graduated from Dow Medical College. She passed her USMLEs. She's now working as a doctor in Miami. This is a picture of Sidra's graduation. This is Sidra giving back her first paycheck to the CEO of TCF. He's retired now, but this is, when we talk about a full circle, from a receiving end, she's now giving the gift of education to someone else. This is inspired by real life events, and this event hasn't happened once, but multiple times. I'm not going to talk about what it is, but it's something that whenever I walked into a TCF school and met a teacher, I met a principal. So TCF's been around for 30 years, and we've seen this story happen over and over again. And last year, we decided to make a video and share with our wider audience how education really could impact a girl's life in a rural or urban smaller community. So here it is.
किरत, मेरी बेटी, सब कहते हैं बिल्कुल मुझ पे गई है। आदतें भी मेरी जैसी ही हैं। रोज सुबह 5 बजे उठकर मैं घर संभालती और ये पानी के मटके। थकना तो जैसे हमें आता ही नहीं। दोनों ख्वाब देखती, बड़ी बड़ी आंखों में स्कूल जाने के ख्वाब। फिर दोनों ही आंखें बंद कर लेती। लोग सवाल जो करते थे, हमारी अम्मा ने हमें सर झुकाना सिखाया। और मैंने किरत, मेरी बेटी, मेरी जैसी बिल्कुल नहीं।
अरे सकीना आपा, आप किरत से मिलने आई होंगी। किरत को बुलाइए।
प्रिंसिपल मैडम, कभी सोचा भी नहीं था मेरी छोटी सी किरत यहाँ पढ़ लिख कर यहीं उस्तानी लग जाएगी। ये आप सबकी कोशिशों का नतीजा है। आप सबके लिए बहुत दुआएं निकलती हैं। ये छोटा सा दिया।
For 30 years, the Citizens Foundation has been transforming the lives of underprivileged children through quality education. Support TCF with your zakat and help change lives.
Thank you so much. I would like to open the floor for questions, and at the same time I would also like to invite Shehnaz Hashim to understand why she supports TCF.
To share the story. मेरा नाम शहनाज हाशिम है और मैं OSF की मेंबर हूँ। और आज मैं TCF के इन लोगों से मैंने रिक्वेस्ट की कि आप लोग आइए और आके हम इन लोगों को बताइए कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं। मैं इनकी जो हार्ड वर्क है उसको देखते हुए आई कैन रिलेट माई सेल्फ दैट हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट एजुकेशन इज. Let me briefly give you my story first. I was here in Canada and I lost my husband when my kids were only 6 and 8 years old. And at that time, I just, I only had a Pakistani education. I was BA from Pakistan and that's it. And there was no place for me in Canada to find a job or anything. So at that point, I decided I'll go back to school in Canada and achieve a degree here. So this is what I did. And after completing my education, take a seat. I'm okay, thank you.
You can sit here if you want. Please keep it close so it will be more better.
Assalamu alaikum. Stage pe chali jaye?
It's an honor for you.
Is it good? Everybody can hear me?
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. With age comes wisdom, and so do a lot of dental challenges. But don't worry, I'm here. और आज मैं आपको बहुत ही practical और easy